Vlog with no pants on.
So Corey's vacuuming, and we're trying to figure out if we're going to go to the event called Touch a Truck, because it's probably gonna rain out, but I think it's fine. So we're just, we're just kind of hanging around the house, trying to figure out what we're doing today. Henry's putting pants on. Pants go inside the pants. Inside the pants. No. No Captain Underpants. I haven't had my coffee yet. Kind of wish I wasn't doing this vlog so I could be drinking coffee.
I want to do another one. You know how I told you that, remember I told you I was having a movie night a day ago? That's my little brother, Danny. Okay, so the other video, remember I told you I was going to have a movie night? Well, I watched Shrek, and it's a good movie, actually.
Stop it.
So, yeah.
Stop it.
If you like the song Gangnam Style, let me know in the comments below. Danny, you see, is reading the old lady who swallowed the fly. Say hi to the people who are watching, Danny. Danny, say hi to the people who are watching. I know when people do watch. Hey Danny, say hi to the people who are watching. Say hi. Say hi.
He wants his privacy.
No, he just wants that book. He wants that book. Danny, say hi.
That's enough of that.
Come here. Turn this thing off, Daddy. I'll show you what kind of vacuum we have. That kind.
Hey guys. Hey, good morning, viewers. It's Sunday. Kind of overcast and dreary today, but we have Touch a Truck planned.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Tell me what your favorite vlog is in the comments below.
All right, Mr. YouTube boy.
It's your turn.
Well, let's just take a little while. Oh, we're still recording.
Hi guys. We'll add the parts together. I probably need to watch some vlogs, so to figure out how you do them. So yeah. You might know my website called Fire Alarm Fun. Got some smoke detectors. No, that thing right there. Remember that? If you watched me before, you like fire alarms? I don't really like them anymore. I like tornadoes. Remember this from the last vlog? See? That actually looks like it's pretty close to me. And it isn't. That would never happen when it falls. Sister Ellie. Say hi, Ellie. So that's my little baby sister. What are you doing in here?
Hey, good morning. Hey, good morning.
I like cinnamon buns. Yay. Looks like I'm having cinnamon buns for breakfast. Those are pretty good. Guys, you want me to show you my favorite song? I'm going to play it in a couple minutes.
from your library.
Let me see the dinosaur. If you like the song, guys, let me know.
What are you doing?
No, it's not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Okay, girl.
Yeah, so it's Sunday morning. We usually don't start our videos this early, so you'll have to forgive us. The house is kind of a mess. My hair is not done. But we're looking forward to being together today and having you with us. There's Touch It Truck. We're thinking of going to at the high school. It's it's a great community we live in. There's all these events to bring your kids to, and the parents. You know, you can talk with the other parents about all the stuff that drives you crazy.
Like watching vlogs.
Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, guys.
If you're holding it so they can't see you.
The story with why the guys are so into Psy is that we had this microphone that they got from Santa. It was a VTech, I believe, and it had this little dance music sample on it. And they just really took to it and were like playing the same little clip over and over and over. And my friend Morgan came to our house and you know, we said, "Oh, I love that song." And we said, "What, you love the song that's on this microphone toy? Like, I didn't know it was a thing that was so popular." And she said, "No, it's Gentleman by Psy, you know, the guy who does Gangnam Style." So we looked up the music, and sure enough, that was the song that this little random microphone was playing. And from there, a craze has started. Oh my gosh. You got some moves. Yep.
Maria and Party Mafia. I'm a motherfucking gentleman. I'm a motherfucking gentleman. I'm a motherfucking gentleman. I'm gonna make you sweat. I'm gonna make you wet. You know who I am? What sign? I'm gonna make you sweat. I'm gonna make you wet. What sign? What sign? What sign?
Oh my gosh, you alright?
I'm a motherfucking gentleman. And they actually play Gangnam Style in City Park. They do Gangnam Style in Sky Zone too. But I never heard it there.
How do you know they play it then?
What?
How do you know they play it then?
My friends told me.
Yeah.
And there's a Lego Gangnam Style and Gentleman. I mean Minecraft Gangnam Style and Gentleman.
Whoa.
Can you say, I got strawberries? I got strawberries.
All I did was take a shower. So guys, in the time that we've been vlogging here, I've noticed that Henry goes around talking to himself as if he's talking to YouTube. Like, okay guys, so yeah. And it got me thinking, you know, I downloaded all these apps to edit vlogs and put in like cool intros and stuff. And I always blogged like before, like at the dawn of the internet, before blogs even had a name. I was journaling on my GeoCities website in the 90s. So this has always been something that came natural to me, just putting it out there and you know, just kind of seeing what sticks. And as a teenager, my mom was like, don't you put this on the internet. She didn't want, you know, everything in the world like just out there for people, you know, the whole world to critique. And so it's interesting because Henry decided that he wanted to vlog. Like he watched probably too much YouTube. Like I should not have let him watch so much YouTube, and he's into it. So so it's kind of funny because I'm into it too. I like the internet, and at the same time I have feelings about screen time and living a natural life and privacy and safety and you know, the dangers of social media. Like we've had some YouTube comments already that are like just heinous, you know, just like stupid people just critiquing, you know, just saying nasty things. Like, I mean, like on like videos of like our, you know, baby making noises at 1 day old, you know. I mean, it's pretty, like the internet's kind of a nasty place. So do I want to subject my kids to that? I don't know. I feel like if I were a good mom, I probably wouldn't, you know. So what do you think? Comment below. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial. This is my beauty regimen. So first I put coconut oil on my face. I use coconut oil because I don't like chemicals, and that's what I do. And then I take my, I don't even know what brand this is, but it had a lot of colors and it was cruelty free, so I bought it. And I put on just any random color with one of these fancy doodads, right? And I just put on some random whatever color because like I use the same thing for all the different colors, so like whatever color's left on there, I just do that. And basically the reason I do this is so that when I put my eyeliner on, it doesn't just smudge onto the rest of my face. So then I put on my e.l.f. eyeliner. I like black, and I just put it on like this, and I draw a little line on top of my eyeball like that, and then I look like this much less tired. Yep, and that's what I do. And then I have this dollar store eyebrow pencil, and I make it look like I actually have eyebrows, and this is how I do it, like that. And so like you can see, like I just have like a little bit more of an eyebrow than I did before because I am blonde. And now I look like I have eyebrows a little bit, and that's my makeup routine. No blending. Yep, so that's my makeup routine. Okay. So what are you doing there?
Planting seeds. I'm going to put some in the garden.
You're gonna just put some seeds in the garden?
Hey, good thing there's a hole right there.
Hmm?
Good thing there's a hole right there.
There's a hole right there?
Yeah.
Is that okay? There's not something already there?
There is
Mm-hmm. Who dug that hole?
I don't know.
Oh. So you're just gonna...
Mommy,
Yeah.
those pumpkins.
Well, those are the ones we bought yesterday, sweets.
Those?
Those are zucchini. Violets, I don't know what
What
they're
are
doing here.
those?
That's basil.
Can you eat basil?
Yeah, basil's awesome.
I want to eat some.
Okay. What do you think?
I'm gonna go look for the mint.
You wanna look at the mint?
Yeah.
I think it's all dead. We have strawberry plant here. It's doing something. And oh no, it's not doing too well.
What is it?
That's the hydrangea Mimi gave us.
What's that? What's hydrangea?
A flower. This is our peach tree. Nana. Here's our berry bushes. We got all kinds of berries here. Raspberries. All right, tell everybody who Nana
My
is.
Nana's my other grandma. Are you putting stuff in the vlog? Cool. Okay, you can stop it now. Hey guys, we're home from Touch a Truck. Some gross stuff.
This is one of my favorite kinds of sandwich.
No, that's gross.
It's a Reuben.
No, it's not. I have never heard this stuff before.
It's got sauerkraut, and this is the Chao, C-H-A-O cheese right here. And we make our own Russian dressing with the Annie's vegan Worcestershire and ketchup and veganese. And we grill it. It's delicious. Show them what you're eating.
They don't know what Rock Hill Panabello is.
It's our favorite bread.
Rock Hill Panabello is our favorite bread. I got some tofu with soy sauce on it, some rice.
And what's Danny eating?
Some noodles.
With the Daya cheese sauce.
Yeah. That's my cat. And you're Chloe. That's Chloe. Is that? We have two other ones, Annie and Jonesy. That one's name is Chloe. Jonesy is the black one. Annie's the one like Chloe. My cousin's scared of Annie, not Chloe. So, yeah.
I'm off to yoga class. There's a free yoga class at Acupuncture Nirvana, and I'm excited to have a minute to myself.
Hey, Henry, it's vlog time. We're here in the van. We're heading to our local high school for a Touch a Truck event. When you get up close with some big trucks, you know, diggers and fire trucks and stuff like that. So that should be fun. We do have some rain coming down, but we've got a couple umbrellas, and the boys are pretty good about holding those. We sort of left the house in a rush. I forgot my wallet and kind of have to poop.
Stop.
But you know what? We're all here together, and that's what's important. All right, so we'll see how this is, and we'll talk to you later. They're bigger than Danny then.
Are they bigger than you? I think you're a little bit taller.
Oh, Henry, get up there, buddy. Henry, hurry up.
All right, Henry's gonna go up in the big truck. You wanna go up there with him?
Hey, Austin, look. Hey, look. Yeah, hey, say cheese.
Come on, Ben. And
Henry, what do you think?
Mrs. John.
You like being in the big truck? Yeah?
This is my
I
dad.
get to go inside trucks. There's some trucks. There's a balance out there. Now you can stop. It's kind of weird.
Thanks. You like that?
Yeah.
Wow. That's a big... What kind of thing is that? Is it a bulldozer?
Yeah. I want to go with
All right.
Oh, is this Finch?
Which one? This one is?
No, this is Finch.
Oh, this is Finch too?
Good to go.
Nice climbing. Wow. do you think up there?
Jump right up in the seat, bud. Take it for a spin.
So I see some of
Wow.
the like the mulch, you know, the mulchy stuff behind the bucket. So is this used for?
Yeah, that's because the supervisor didn't wash the bucket yesterday. Actually, it's not so much mulch as that's bark residue. And we use these, actually that's my dirt bucket. We got buckets. I should have brought one. Our normal buckets are about that high. They go about 9 yards.
Wow.
And basically what is bark residue and stuff, we sell bark as good mulch. It's good for the city. We burn biomass, probably bigger trees.
What do you think?
That was crazy, guys.
Dan, you might need a bigger iPad.
Guys, you guys are check out the police cars.
I'm gonna go in the back.
All right.
Actually,
Gotta take a
take
picture.
a great picture.
Do you want to help him in?
I'll leave that open.
All right. You gonna drive your brother around?
Thanks for the info, eh?
All right. So hopefully you're never gonna end up in the back of the police car
There,
here.
Danny, you're a police
This is what it's like. What do you think?
Thank you.
Scary? I don't know.
Danny, you want a
It
badge?
doesn't look very comfortable. It's like
It's not that
hard
com-
plastic seats.
It's not that
Yeah.
comfortable.
I guess it's, you know, it's not made for comfort. It's made for safety, right? Well, this is what they're doing when they
Right now, I want to bring it
pull over.
home.
They got a new computer here. What do you think, bub?
All right, Henry.
All right, guys.
They've been in a bunch of trucks already.
What do you think, Jace?
They're actually working on it now to get us a new truck.
Danny, you want to go up there?
It's been a long time in the making. Yep. Yep. We got the ladder truck and this one at the same time. That was in '98 when we graduated school. So
20 years. 20 years this summer, huh?
yeah.
Make them work with the new technology. It's crazy.
Well, that's the thing.
Guys, we had a good morning at the Touch It truck. It was pretty fun. The boys got to sit inside some cranes, police car, fire truck. So it was a pretty good time. And although Danny did sort of get upset, we did have a bit of a meltdown from Dan because the ice cream truck was there. You know, it's really, they sort of really hold you hostage when they bring an ice cream truck right to one of these events. So Danny had a bit of a meltdown. We did say no, because we do not believe there were vegan options at the ice cream truck. So our kids can't have any of those treats. But we have treats at home. But yeah, so now we're home again. Everybody's gonna eat some lunch. And we'll see what the afternoon holds.
So I'm really excited about doing yoga after it's probably been at least a year since I took a yoga class, and Kat McKenzie is offering these ones free, so let's go check it out and see how it goes. So yoga was really nice, and I was walking past Finders Keepers and noticed that they were open and having half off sale, so I ran in here because I need pants that don't make me depressed, and I'm trying some on right now, and they are definitely making me depressed because I'm not the size I thought I was, so, you know, might be a while. Like, you're never gonna put on a pair of pants and, like, look like somebody other than you. Like, you're always gonna be you, no matter what pants you have on. So I just have to find pants that I like the way I look in. I'm not gonna find pants that make me look like somebody else. That's just a fact. I think these are okay. It's funny how you like obsessively have to bring your purse with you everywhere, even though like it's full of just like garbage, like actual garbage. Like literally, here's what I have in here, like coupons that have expired, like old envelopes. I have like just receipts, just just like it's like a bag full of like garbage paper. Like I can't go anywhere without my bag of garbage paper. Like I can't leave it somewhere. Oh my gosh, somebody might steal my bag of trash. Like it's ridiculous.
Hey friends, it's Sunday in the afternoon. We've had a great weekend. We saw a lot of our friends today. The boys saw some friends that they know at our Touch-A-Truck. And you know, we're just real lucky. We're just hanging out now. And that's all I got, I guess.
Henry, you got anything to say?
So yeah,
So yeah.
Oh, I thought of something else. In the comments below, let us know your favorite big truck. You know, let us know about a story, time you saw one, or maybe there's some sort of big vehicle you'd like to see someday. Let us know in the comments below, and maybe Henry can read those out loud during one of our vlogs.
Hi, Shasha. Hi,
And-
Shasha.
And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Tell all your friends. Really let everybody subscribe so we can start to monetize this thing. Because I
and
heard
tell
Ryan's
me
toy
your
review
favorite vlog.
like made millions. So yeah.
Hi, Shasha. Bye bye. Say bye.